Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. First thing I want to announce, we have an official store now. Check out awesome shirts, car shirts. You can see we have one right here. We have amazing stuff. Check it out. Second, today we're working on the Golf. We'll show you how to remove the front bumper on MK5. It will be about the same procedure for the Jetta as well, with some minor differences. But we have that video on the main channel, which is growing awesome fast right now. We have about 11,000 subscribers. Check it out. And what you need to do first, you need to remove the grille. We'll show you how to do that. Stay with us. You don't have to do the headlights. So if you're doing just a bumper cover, don't remove the headlights. So what we need now, guys, is you can see a T25 star looking bit or a screwdriver, and you need to remove these two screws right here. You have to be careful to remove it right, otherwise you can break that thing, and we just dropped one of the screws, so don't do that. Okay, let us show you now what else you need to do. You need to press this thing in and pull, okay? And on this side again, you just press like that, okay, to the front and pull up. And now you can go on in one angle and go up. There is a few clips right here that usually hold on the bottom. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 clips on the bottom. And now what you need to do, you need to get the car in the air. It will be more convenient. And you need to take the tires off, the front tires, because there are a few screws and bolts here and there that are not so easy to reach. So now a few more on the bottom of the vehicle. Okay, let me show you where exactly we are in the corner with the same tool, that T25. Okay, we need to remove that one. Okay, one right there. Usually if you have the engine cover, you have more. And you can see all those zip ties that you have. Those are supposed to be usually either screws or clips. But unfortunately we don't have it on this one, so we won't be able to show you exactly, but just a few screws or clips that you need to pull. We remove the ones on the bottom. Now, right here, a few more, but those are actually with bigger than T25. It needs to be, you can see it's the Torx, but it's I think it's more like 30 on this one that we need to use. So just getting the right tool now, and we'll see, okay, if it's going to do, yep, 30 right there. Just two more. Okay, right there. Alright guys, so what we need to do now, we need to grab it and pull it towards the front. It slides out, and on this side as well. So we need to do both sides at the same time. Okay, you can see somebody holding the bumper so we don't damage it. Now we need to do the lights, the park lights. This one just came out like that. It wasn't even on, but those you usually just pull them out. Okay, and this is the bumper cover, guys, right here. You can see how easy it is to remove it when you know what you're doing. Hopefully the video. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.